Hello and welcome to this new lesson in which I'll show you how to install Python using the official Python website. Now click Python download, and as you can see, download Python. And here we have different versions. The latest one is Python 3.8.1. Click on the download button. Now, as you can see here, there is a list of major new features of the 3.8 series compared to 3.7. These are a lot of technical details that you shouldn't worry about. Now, to install the software, what you need to do is go down here to the Files section and choose the Windows x86 or 64 executable installer. Click once, and as you can see, the download will start. It will need a minute to get the file for us, and as you can see, it has Windows users, some notes for Windows users, some notes for macOS users, and as you can see, it supports different versions. Here is the macOS version, and using Linux you can get the gzipped source. There is a lot of resources explaining how to install Python 3 on any operating system. You can go and check the documentation, as you can see here, Python 3 documentation or Python 2 documentation. We will take a quick look at these. But for now, what we need to do is install this file after it is downloaded to our PC. You need to make sure that you are using the right version that works with your operating system. This one, the executable installer, works with 86 and 64, both systems, but if you have 86 old machine, you can get the executable installer for the 86. Okay, now, as you can see here, it's done. Click open file. Now, here it is. Now, install launcher for all users. Add Python 3.0.8 to path. Then click install now. Click yes. Okay, it may take some time depending on your hardware. Now, as you can see, it's done. Setup was successful. Need to Python. Start with the online tutorial or the documentation, or you can see what's new. But this is it. This is what you need to do to install Python. Click close now and move on to the next lesson.